Hello lovelies, welcome once again to Lois Kitchen. I hope everyone is keeping well. Join me today as we cook okra soup, our local dish. If you're ready, let's get started. Oh my god, our soup is ready. This soup was so delicious, and guess what? I enjoyed it with Banku. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you in my next video, remain blessed. Bye. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now. Available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.